हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ योर होस्ट सौरभ एंड वेलकम अगेन टू अवर चैनल एक्सप्लोर योर प्रॉपर्टी। आज हम लोग हैं नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे पे एंड वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स सेक्टर 150. द बिल्डिंग्स यू कैन सी राइट नाउ इन द फ्रंट, दैट सेक्टर 150 on the right side of the expressway. So this is a series we people are starting and we will be covering one by one almost every project of 150 because that's the future. And if you want to see sector 150 in a broad way, we have already covered it. You can go to the description and check out the link which will be provided there. Sector 150 have many good points which you can't find in any other sector of Delhi NCR. Once it is fully developed and built, you will be getting a tremendous facilities, sports facilities, green facilities in this sector. Right now you are seeing a overbridge is being made for a direct entry of sector 150. So you can know the importance of sector 150 by this overbridge. This is the only overbridge in the 25-kilometer stretch just made so that you can have a good entry and exit to sector 150, and it is developed by Noida Authority. So you can see how much priority is Noida Authority giving to sector 150. The project we are going to show you today is Ace Parkway. So let's continue. So guys, right now we are on the service lane and about to enter sector 150. I just want to make a small request to you all कि अगर आपने हमारे चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लीजिए सो दैट अगर हम कोई भी फर्दर वीडियो लेके आते हैं सेक्टर 150 की और कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट की नोएडा में, तो you have a notification of that and you can see our video. This is the roundabout and this is the entry of the sector 150. So first of all, before showing you the project, let's talk about Ace Group. Ace Group is one of the best builder right now in Noida. There are so many builders, but this is the most cash rich company currently. And if you talk about their ongoing projects and completed projects, so the projects they have already completed are Ace Platinum in Greater Noida, Ace City in Greater Noida, Ace Aspire and Ace Golfshire, which you are seeing currently. This is their completed project in this sector itself. And if you talk about the ongoing projects, which are Ace Palm Flows, Ace Divino in Noida Extension and Ace Parkway, which we are going to show you right now. So guys, the building you can see in front of you is the project Ace Parkway. And first of all, let's talk about some highlights of the project. The total land patch of the project is 11.5 acre. It's a 3-side open project. 80% area is dedicated to green development. The total number of towers will be 11 and the total number of apartments will be 970. It will be having 51 sport fit zones, which include both your outdoor and indoor sports activities. It will be having a proposed metro connectivity in future. Right now also you have a metro station just opposite to sector 150, and it has a great connectivity with Delhi NCR, which we have shown you. Low density project it is, and it will be having 3-tier security, which will be managed by JLL Group. Guys, the biggest USP of this project is that it has a park in front of it, which is of 42 acres in size and known as Shaheed Bhagat Singh Park. It is one of the biggest park in North India, and the view from your balcony will be always this park only. The technology being used for the construction of this project is called Korean aluminum shuttering, which is one of the best construction quality or technique right now in the world, which has a very good strength and life for the project. So let's go towards the sample flat. So guys, this is the sample flat. The size of the flat is 1750 square feet. It's a proper 3 BHK 3 toilet apartment. The interior of this flat is done by Mrs. Shah Rukh Khan, or you can say Gauri Khan. As you know, she is an interior designer, and this is designed by her. Right now you're seeing the living and dining area. The size of these both includes is 20 by 16. If you talk about this project, guys, so it's a luxury segment project, and the privacy is very well maintained in every flat size. The guests have their separate sitting area, which won't allow them to see inside your bedrooms or in your kitchen, which generally happens in today's flats and all. So this will be your common toilet, and it with the size of 5.2 by 7.6. It's a gorgeous looking apartment, and this will be your kitchen area. The kitchen size is 8 by 8.10, which has an utility balcony as well, which is 5 feet wide. Now this is your first bedroom, which has your dressing as well, just outside your toilet. The size of the bedroom is 13 by 14, and the size of the toilet is 12 by 6, and the size of the dressing is 8 by 5.6. Every bedroom either have a balcony or a window for cross ventilation. This is your second bedroom with a size of 10 by 13.2 with an attached toilet. Which can be used by common area as well as by this bedroom. Now this is your third room, and it has a size of 13.4 by 12.10. All almirahs are inside wall, so you have a good area. Now this is the third washroom with third bedroom, and the area of the toilet is 5.2 by 7.6. Total you have 3 balconies in this apartment. One is your utility balcony, second one is your master bedroom balcony, and third one you have with your living and dining, which you will be seeing right now. The flat is designed beautifully, and this is a sample flat. Just after this I will be showing you an actual flat of the same size, so that you will be having an idea about the space and all. This is the balcony, both the balconies. guys, lastly, let's talk about the possession date and the rates. The possession of the whole project will be provided by June 2022. A year later, you will be getting your flat if you buy it right now. And the current rate for any flat is 7,400 rupees per square feet. If you talk about the launching rate, it was somewhere around 4,400, and in last few years the rate has appreciated around 3,000 rupees per square feet, and after possession you can expect a rate above 8,000 rupees per square feet. So that is all for today, guys, and I just want to add a last note that the small sizes 2 BHK and small 3 BHK plus 2 toilet are not available, they are sold out. If you need a proper 3 BHK or 3 BHK plus utility or a 4 BHK, you have options. So for that you can call us on the numbers provided in the caption as always. And thanks for your time, guys. Just a last request, if any of your family or friend is looking for a flat, you can share this video to them. Thank you very much for your time, guys. And lastly, ACE is launching a new project in adjacent sector 152, and we will be sharing a video of that. If you are an investor or an end user, it can be a very good product for you. So do check out that video also on our channel later on. Thank you very much, guys.